Have you ever wanted dreadlocks, but not sure you want to permanently lock your hair? Well, maybe temporary faux locks is the option for you. Hi, my name is Vanderbilt Shepherd, and I'm going to teach you how to make your own custom faux locks. First, you need to choose the type of hair you'd like to use. There are numerous types of hair you can use. However, today we will be using Marley hair to create our faux locks. For this technique, you will need 2 strands of Marley hair. 1 strand of hair will be for your base, and the other thinner piece of hair will be used to wrap around your base, similar to this. The point is to create texture with a thinner piece of Marley hair to give your faux lock a more natural and unique finish. Once you've made enough locks for your entire look, then it's time to install. However, that's a completely different video.